USB ports color. White port is in the class of USB 1.0 and it can achieve a maximum speed up to 12 Mbps. Black port, which is also known as USB 2.0, and it can achieve a maximum speed up to 480 Mbps and it is usually used in computer USB outputs. Blue port represents USB 3.0 and it can achieve a maximum speed up to 5 Gbps. This is used in modern computers and laptops. The teal port represents USB 3.1 and it supports transfer speed up to 10 Gbps. Red port represents USB 3.2 and supports super speed up to 20 Gbps. The yellow and orange ports are commonly used for high-speed charging and transfer of high current flow.